All right, mate, pack her up. Yeah. Hey, bros, how are you? Yeah, so go a little bit to. Yeah, that's it. Go a little bit this way. That's it. I already checked it, yeah. You go a little bit more. Yeah, okay. That's it. Pull it across a little bit, Alex. That's it, Alex. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, now push the other one.
Yep.
Your right hand, go down a little bit. Push it down towards the ground a little bit.
Towards the ground.
Yeah, yep. That's it. And look how you're doing. Making sure no one takes the ramps. Ha ha ha. Well done, mate.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now lift the red handle and turn her off, and that's a wrap. No, just this one here, yeah. This red handle, and then just turn the key off. That's over there, I think. Yeah, twist the key. Oh, key.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Oh, yeah. There you go. That's him.
Yeah, that's it.
You did well, man.
Yeah, it's just a bit of slow process.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah,
And now you're an excavator driver.
Oh, close.
Yeah, close. How you feel? You feel all right?
Yeah, it feels pretty good. I just wasn't sure what you wanted there, but now I know what it is because you showed me the direction. So
Yeah, no, well done, mate. You did great.
yeah, thank you.